Tired of getting into sticky situations with your boss? Hi, I'm Mitty, not HR, with Phoenix Technology Audiovisual, and today we're talking about proper taping techniques. Here's a few tips to remember that'll keep you de-stressed and your bosses impressed. Come on. First, never tape down any cable runs until all signals are thoroughly tested. In high traffic areas, Tack only for safety purposes. A good rule of thumb, 2 cables max per a single 2-inch wide strip of gap tape. Four to 5 cables, that's going to require 2 2-inch strips of gap tape. Make sure to give it a nice firm press so you have good contact on the cables and they're nice and tight, and it's nice and tight to the carpet. When pulling up your cables, remember, put your hand or foot, if you're leaning over, and hold it firm and pull up. Guys, we don't cut corners at Phoenix Technology Audiovisual, so don't cut your corners when running cables, okay? Run it nice and firm into the wall, snug, not taping on the baseboards, but close to it. And round your corners nice and neat, taping 1 on each side. We don't need to over tape it. Ready? Always be aware of your surroundings and others in your work area. Be quick and kind to make it safe. Oh, excuse me, sir. Let me finish taping this so you don't trip. Remember that hot mess that we had at the beginning of the video? Let me show you what to do if you ever accidentally run into this issue. Don't try to pull it down like this. You're just going to get it into a big knot here, and you don't want that. Instead, get to the cleanest edge you can, grab it as close to the cable as you can, and hold it firm, pulling down, ripping it all the way down to your knot. And then you can take the other piece right off. Got it? Good. When you take the time to do it right and keep it neat and tight, it not only makes you stick out, it firmly secures you as an efficient professional in the industry. That means managers will be begging to have you back at their job sites. Don't forget to clean up your mess by using the over-under technique. The puns were intended. You're killing me, dude. First, never tape down an Never tape down any cable runs until all signals are thoroughly tested. That was terrible. Guys, at Phoenix Technology, we don't cut corners at Phoenix Technology Audiovisual, so please don't do this. You're killing me.